Hello, graduating class of 2021. Welcome to the 16th annual last lecture. My name is Steve Larini, and I'm your 2014 business graduate from the University of Guelph-Humber. Thank you so much for the honor of being selected to be this year's alumni speaker. This is crazy. I remember going to my last lecture in my final semester at Guelph-Humber, and it was so much fun. As I prepare my speech and look back at all my experiences at Guelph-Humber, I miss it so much. My favorite courses were always marketing courses. In fact, you could almost see the differences in the grades between the courses I loved and the courses maybe I couldn't wait to be over with. Research methods in business, relationship marketing, small business management, and event management were all the courses that I loved the most at the University of Guelph-Humber. They gave me the tools, skills, and confidence to honestly have the stepping stone to go and achieve my career goals. There were classes I loved the most, and I refer them still in my review from Guelph-Humber. My favorite story to date is honestly the time I did an art gallery within the building of the Guelph-Humber for my event management class too. It was during a snowstorm, and I swear we had 150 people invited, from industry partners all the way from people within the school. We had so much fun. It was food and DJs, and truthfully, it was like being at the Grammys. However, because of the snowstorm, I think only like 13 people showed up, and my own family didn't even arrive. That's how bad the weather was. But we had so much fun. There was so much food left over. And truthfully, we made the most of such a unique experience that I still cherish to this day. On the career side of things, I graduated Guelph-Humber and I landed a full-time job right away, which allowed me to build on my experiences in marketing. In my role as a promotions manager in marketing, I working for companies like Evanov Radio Group, Maple Leaf Sports and Entertainment, and even more, eventually led to my opportunity now where I teach at Humber College next door. Guelph-Humber allowed me to have the long-term viability by creating and growing on strong brand equity of these companies through various marketing and branding promotions and assignments that I did within Guelph-Humber. However, the student experience was something I will cherish forever. On a personal note, as a student from Guelph-Humber, my experiences helped me learn so much and found out so much about myself and my friends that I still talk to today. Students and faculty that I shared classrooms with helped not only build the in-depth knowledge and the detailed skills that I needed to graduate, but also added an element of fun that allowed me to enjoy coming to class every single day. I love spending my extra time by the plant wall at the front doors or working in the computer cubicles with my group members for projects. So you should be proud, excited, and confident. In all seriousness, you're about to graduate. Take pride in it. You have a proven track record in all your accomplishments through all the courses that you've done. You should be motivated and inspired going forward out of the pandemic. You're about to enter a new world with so many opportunities and some challenges that have changed the business world because of the pandemic. You will learn very quickly in your heart how important this graduation to you will be, especially in this new world post-pandemic, which will be yours for the taking after graduation. Congratulations to everyone. Be kind, smile, and always follow your heart. Thank you.